During the corona pandemic, scientists made use of wastewater. That's because coronaviruses excreted by infected people can be detected in the wastewater. This method is researched in the Swiss Federal Institute of Aquatic Science and Technology, EAWAG in Dubendorf.
The aim of this project is to understand the extent to which wastewater can help inform the transmission dynamics of pathogens, including SARS-CoV-2 and other viruses. We've previously done this with pharmaceuticals and antibiotics, and now we're extending this to understand infectious diseases. To measure SARS-CoV-2 and other respiratory pathogens in wastewater, we first collect wastewater samples and then we extract the total RNA and DNA. We then concentrate the RNA and DNA using combinations of centrifugation and filtration, and then we clean the sample to remove inhibitors.
After that, the prepared samples can finally be evaluated.
Using digital PCR, the sample is partitioned into tens of thousands of droplets of approximately 1 nanoliter in volume, and each droplet undergoes amplification with positive droplets containing SARS-CoV-2 fluorescing. As we can see here, the fluorescent droplets are positive for the target. Then we can track the concentrations to help inform the disease transmission.
Different types of viruses can be made visible. It is also possible to determine quite precisely when and where which COVID-19 variant occurred.
Wastewater data is particularly useful as it complements clinical data, particularly when clinical testing strategies have been reduced. In April, we observed a wave of SARS-CoV-2 in wastewater that we didn't observe in testing because testing was reduced.
Wastewater-based epidemiology has rapidly gained importance since the corona pandemic. This method has proven its worth to be a reliable indicator of pandemic activity. That's why the Swiss Federal Office of Public Health was convinced of the project's potential and continued supporting this method. The head of this project is Christoph Ort. He sees high potential for its future.
The special call funding was key for us to develop the method, and we initially just started with 2 wastewater treatment plants. Then the FOPH expanded to a national monitoring with our concept to over 100 treatment plants. And interestingly, we can not only prepare for future pandemics through the analysis of wastewater, but also investigate a series of other research questions related to public health. And interestingly, just recently, the Parliament voted for an institutionalization of the wastewater-based surveillance, and we're very curious to see where this journey takes us.